we get person will be so go help us make we discuss this one. In Dr. Folarin Okpawoye rather, he be doctor for infectious diseases and he be member of Lagos State COVID-19 response team. Yes, now he go join us to discuss this matter. In fact, he be infection prevention and control team lead of the Lagos COVID-19 response. Meaning to say, he carry the matter for head. Pass. I don't go to say past commissioner for health because all of them then they attend the same fellowship on top how this COVID-19 take the worry person. Dr. Folarin, good morning this morning.
Hello, good morning. How are you doing now?
Yeah, so Manzi day here and that was inside the studio here with me. Dr. Folarin, I beg. You know, say this COVID-19 matter, if you say the nails and the eyes, the nails them plenty. On top of people when believe say this COVID-19 day, true. Now there we sit down. When they see, they even want to ask ourselves, say, not true. Now say second wave come. Now I on top now say this third wave done day. I beg, just give us clear picture. Waiting with the look, waiting with the face this time around.
Well, you know, as you know, with the talk, you don't talk everything with it, but I think I just had some small Maggi and salt. So
it's all right.
He did. You know, so waiting happen. This as they take come, Ingo come, as it take come, he go pursue the people, go pursue for that time. After some time, the thing go calm down. Then again go come again. He go pursue the people, go pursue. It go calm down. So now the style where the virus they use be that. So now so the thing come first wave, clear the people go clear that time. People will die, we survive. It come down again. Around that December, January, we get another second wave come. So as the second wave don't come, don't know say this third wave, na time, it go come. But we don't the wait time. And so, but we just pray, we try what we fit do, but now the third wave don't land now. Now so the thing they be. So we don't know whether we are a fourth wave, fifth wave, but now the third wave we did now.
Okay, as this matter can be, people can talk say, the first time first wave come, we enter, it shock everybody, it shock the world, we don't understand what we're going to do. Second wave can't enter, people can talk say, okay, maybe this is different. Now third wave don't come. Share we not they know where they come from or how we go protect ourselves from when they come, or we go put people they say why we know they lock gates to make sure say this thing not they enter we country as it be, because that question where people they ask be this. What thing will they do to make sure say we go lock gates to prevent them from even coming, or share it must come even if we lock gates?
Chama, you get vaccine?
Okay.
Now you collect vaccine where vaccine come?
I never collect vaccine, no.
Did you collect the vaccine?
I've not collected the vaccine yet, sir.
No, you have not collected. So now be part of our problem.
Okay.
Because we don't know say this thing will come. As we know say they come, we say okay, vaccine day, vaccine day blocker. This vaccine I beg go beg the vaccine. I beg now prostrate, we pray, we lie down before they give us vaccine. We carry vaccine all these countries is March. From March till July, we they beg house to house, say I beg go collect vaccine. No story where I know here about the vaccine. They say collect vaccine, your hand will become magnet. You don't go perform again.
That one has waiting they put for social media now, all those kind of things. The
problem with that, all the things they social media. So all the patients where they get now, and people where no collect vaccine. Some people where they collect vaccine, fit catch them, but you know they strong for their body. I still get person where die last week.
I didn't collect vaccine.
They don't collect.
Okay.
And when they follow them talk, say, Alpha, I say, no verse now, doctor, sorry, forgive us, na devil. Now we no collect. We know say this thing go come. Government they doing it own. But government no go force na collect vaccine. Vaccine don't finish now. Another batch they come. We go see whether people go see collector.
Okay, Dr. Folarin. Okay, yes, Dr. Folarin, we know say when una been they discuss about this need for people to take vaccine.
Yeah.
You get one say website they use that time. Whether I call them the herders effect or something like that. So we say if the more people get them, the more people will say they never get them, you know, no go they prone to they infected. But then we come they hear say it be like say even if you don't get them, you go still get this Delta variant, but it not go kill you. But the person go fit spread them, give another person. I know say Pfizer for one corner be also want to introduce boosters. US tell them say make them calm down first. Say time never reach for them to introduce the boosters. Oga Fulani, you not sure say time go come when we say this particular dose when we say people don't they take go there, you know go there useless, you know, to maybe future variants them when go come. Because at first, if people like say we get guarantees, say that vaccine now be sure banker, you don't go near your body or anything. Now with the year say you go feel get them and you go even feel spread them, but yes, it not go kill you. You not feel say another variant feel come when go knock off the usefulness of the vaccine way down there on ground.
We see, so that vaccine it be like thief. So thief they call area. The thief when they call area, I don't study and say this thief they call between 2 and 4 o'clock for afternoon. When they come, you know they bring anything come. You organize boys. As the guy take off, you catch up, carry a go police station. So you go police station, after I serve the sentence, he come back. But next time when they come, instead of maybe they come for 2 to 4, now they come from 4 to 8, and now they carry cutlass. So you go again, organize boys. Now the boys where you organize, they get to have cutlass, otherwise the guy will finish them. So you organize boys with cutlass, they catch the thief, they carry a go police station. After they release them again, the guy say, hey, be like that. They now change the time to 10 to 12, and now Shakabula, they carry come. Now, so this idiot virus, they pay. So once we don't block up for one side, they go try show for another side. That's how everybody be. Now, so everybody does they try adapt. Because the guy feels say we don't respect them again. You know, so when this virus come like that, everywhere they lock down.
Yes.
The whole world, nobody feel. But now, it be like say everybody don't say we don't sabi. The virus say, hey, it be like that, I go show you. Now, so they just the change for us.
So, Dr. Fulani, on top of those change, So, on top of those change, as in the talk said the thing they change, they come. You feel say very soon, only a matter of time before the US go approve vaccine booster. Where we say people say they don't take before, go need to still take again.
Madam, our people never collect one. Not to talk of 2. Not to talk of booster. Our road far. So when they say, when they talk now true, we don't know how things will be. The work out for virus, we say, some virus, as they take mutate, then they blow. Then they take mutate, they know they strong again. When they change, then they weak. So like that thief, when we say, when they come again, just decide they don't even they still again, this thief no pay, he go out. Now so some virus be. But some other virus, as they take mutate, then they take change like that, then they gather strength, then they take power. So that's the problem. So we don't know whether, when do we know we say, the current vaccine where we get for Nigeria, it they work for Delta. Current vaccine where we get, all the people where I don't have it now, people who don't get the vaccine, they know they sick. They go just call 6 boy, it will be like small malaria for their body, come out. But people don't get the vaccine, oh boy, now war. So now the cocoa be that for the matter.
Okay, so as we don't see this new the Delta variant as it affect other countries for the world, and see as the situation take be now. As you don't talk, the thing don't land. Looking at the states where federal government be highlights, say now these states go now go fit they at high risk. Waiting be the next move now. Saying they don't highlight these states now. Waiting if you say go be the next move. Moving forward to take...
I hope say they put Anambra for the state because what they do for Oba last week,
yes,
they can't come here to share for that side, no be here.
He said what happened for Oba last week.
I didn't tell you nobody wear mask for that side.
Okay.
I just laugh. If you go Oba, you got the sneeze or cough or you get fever in the next 1 or 2 weeks, don't be malaria or you don't catch COVID with that. Now the truth for the matter.
So, you hear me?
I just hear you now.
Okay, so they ask now, these states where they don't highlight, now what will be the next step moving forward to make sure say this new variant no spread?
Now what we don't they do before? Where we go see for they wear mask, we go they use sense, go come out. If you go where crowd too plenty, may you no go. If you feel go, if you want go, may you wear your mask better and wear. May they wash our hands. Now the same way we don't they talk they instead they walk against the virus. Okay. That's how people know they listen. And the problem is that. And the most important thing, if they're sick now, say God they get small malaria. Before you go see yourself, say na small malaria, small typhoid, I better go for COVID test. Because what they see for hospital now, be say people know they too come on time. They don't treat malaria, cheap time for them now. Before they call hospital, they almost don't die finish because they breathe well. Now the thing. So anybody now for this time we be say we don't get another outbreak for our hands. Anybody we get in body they hot, they feel weak, you know they smell again, you know they taste again. I beg go do test for COVID. I beg. Make you quickly know what they do before you go give out another person who go cash and die.
All right. All right. Thank you very much, Dr. Folarin. Dr. Folarin, don't talk about infection prevention and control team need Lagos COVID-19 response. You don't talk and say if your body they hot, they feel weak, your eye they red, not go drink cold way. No miss one miss of red with water. Wait a minute. You never see that guy. Wait, talk and say my body just they hot. I don't know what they do. I don't even miss I don't drink like 3 liters of water. You don't miss old way. You don't walk. Now they try to tell you, say, when you go walk, we say, make you go get your vaccine before you self go collect what you not destined to collect. Thank you very much, Dr. Folarin, for your contribution. We'll go take a break when we come back. Plenty studios will be going to get Good Morning Naija show. No comment. Good morning.